Empty seats and hard truths. What went wrong at the Tocky Vibes album launch? The music world can be a cruel place, and for Zimdancehall artist Tocky Vibes, that reality hit hard on a recent Friday night. His highly anticipated album launch at Alex Sports Club in Harare, an event billed as a star-studded affair, unfortunately turned into a humiliating spectacle characterized by empty chairs and sparse crowds. Despite Tocky Vibes' real name Makamure boasting a massive online following, with hundreds of thousands of fans on platforms like Facebook, the tangible support for his new album release was drastically missing. The poor turnout at the event, which featured other popular artists, has ignited a serious debate in the Zimbabwean music industry about the growing disconnect between virtual fame and real-world fan engagement. The anatomy of a flop. The factors cited by observers for the disastrous attendance are a cautionary tale for any artist planning a major event. Low publicity. For an event of this magnitude, the visibility and buzz leading up to the launch appear to have been insufficient. A massive online following doesn't always translate to ticket sales without a robust promotional campaign. Poor timing. The specific date and time chosen for the event may have contributed to the low numbers, though exact details on scheduling conflicts are less clear. Fan fatigue and musical shift. Perhaps the most significant factor is the perceived waning of Tocky Vibes' musical relevance compared to his peak years, which were dominated by hits like Amai and Mhai. His experimentation with Afro-fusion and gospel-infused sounds in recent years has reportedly divided his original Zimdancehall fanbase, with some loyalists feeling he has abandoned his roots. The music landscape has also been rapidly changing, with new, youthful acts like Enzo Ishel, Nutty O, and Freeman gaining dominance. Ticket price. With tickets priced at $10 US, some fans might have found the price prohibitive for an artist whose current chart dominance is debatable. From peak to plateau, Tocky Vibes rose to prominence around 2014, earning widespread acclaim for his lyrical depth and socially conscious content, which set him apart from many of his contemporaries. His poetic storytelling secured him several local music awards and a respectable position in the industry. However, a musician's career is a continuous climb, and the move towards different genres, while a sign of artistic growth, can alienate a core audience, especially in a genre as fiercely loyal as Zimdancehall. The disheartening sight of empty seats at Alex Sports Club serves as a stark reminder that social media popularity, where the artist remains highly followed, does not equate to ticket buying power. It's a fundamental business truth. Online numbers must be converted into physical presence for an event to succeed. What's next? The album launch may have been a flop, but Tocky Vibes is a gifted artist with a deep discography. This setback is a moment of reflection for the Chimakuvangu star and his team. It highlights the need to re-evaluate his promotional strategy, potentially reconnect with his core audience, and find the balance between artistic evolution and fan expectation. In the highly competitive world of music, the show must go on. The question now is how Tocky Vibes will use this humbling moment to reignite the fire and recapture the tangible support of the fans who once crowned him a Zimdancehall king.